where flavors rise. Mabel Madawabuchi's world, love never dies. With every dish, a story's told of warmth and joy that never grows old. Mabel's world, a place of love, where every moment sent from above. With hair that shines and a heart that's bright, Mabel Madawabuchi's world shines with delight. World where love abides. Mabel's world, a place of love, where every moment sent from above. With hair that shines and a heart that's bright, Mabel Madawabuchi's world shines with delight. Shared, moments revealed, lifestyle of love, hearts that are healed. A world of warmth, a world of light. Mabel Madawabuchi's world shining bright. Mabel's world, a place of love, where every moment sent from above. With hair that shines and a heart that's bright, Mabel Madawabuchi's world shines with delight. Where flavors rise, Mabel Madawabuchi's world, love never dies.